So the thing is, guys, market is creating lower lows and lower highs in 5 minutes. If we talk about 5 minutes, then if we could talk about 30 minutes, then 30-minute candle is pushing all the way down over here. But if I look at the 15 minutes, then this 15-minute candle has created a higher wick already, and now it is pushing down. So once it breaks the low of the previous 15-minute candle, that will be our first confirmation of sales. And once it breaks our trade ideas price, then that will be our second confirmation for sales, right? So I'm gonna keep my stops above the current candles high, and I'm gonna be just get ready to take a trade. So let's see if we catch this trade or not. So the thing is, this candle can break the low and continue moving all the way down. And the second thing which can also happen is that this candle might just reject this wick over here. So in case a thing happens that this candle is going down and taps this wick area and then starts to reject and goes back to break even, at that point of time I might close everything at that point of time, because the thing is, we have clean range to the left. And another thing, I'm assuming that there might be a resistance formation of, in the 15-minute as well. So after that it will be going down. So these are the few things which are running into my mind. So I'm gonna keep an eye on each and everything. So as we can see, it's pushing all the way down. So let's get ready. So let's see if we can catch this trade and how it will go. Still got 9 minutes left. I'm gonna just go and check 1 hour, because it's really important to check all the time frames. So 1 hour really looks nice, and it really looks that it will be moving all the way down, because this move has to be corrected, that's for sure. And the 4-hour candle has already broke the low over here, and it's moving down, fill this wick and continue moving down. So this down move, sell move is coming up. It's just that we have to catch this move correctly in order to make profits. Otherwise we might just lose some money over here in this trade. So let's see, let's hope for the best. So if this candle closes bullish, that will be a really nice thing to have at this point of time, because the thing is, I'm also waiting for resistance to be formed, and then I want to take a sell trade. Okay, but I have both the ideas in my mind, so any of those ideas will work. So as we can see, it's rejecting. That's a really nice thing. So I need this candle over here to close a weak bullish one. So now 5 minutes remaining for the current candle to close. So let's see how this candle will be closing. So the thing is, if this candle closes bullish and the next candle creates a higher wick and break the low of this candle, then I'm going to take a sell trade at that point of time. And that will be a really, high probability trade, because it will be forming a resistance, and whenever there is a bearish move and after that a resistance formed, so there will be a second bearish move coming in. So that's the whole idea, but let's see how this goes. It's just that 5 minutes have to pass away right now, so we have to just wait for 5 more minutes, so things will be, start to getting more clear. So now it's moving up with heavy volume. So let's have a look at the news as well. Maybe there is some news. Okay, so no, there is no news. So the news has already been done. There was jobless claims, initial jobless claims, and the news has already been done. Now no news, so we can trade without any problem. It's just that we have to wait for 3 more minutes. So let's see. Alright everybody, so as we can see over here, the candle is rejecting heavily, and so what I'm gonna do is, I have a plan for this. I will enter with my half lot when this candle will be breaking its own low. Let me just get ready with the terminal. Okay, so the idea is that once this candle break its own low, I'm gonna enter with half lot, and after that I'm gonna enter a second trade when this candle will be breaking the previous candle's low. Let me just drop that idea as well over here. So get ready everybody. Because the thing is, why I'm doing this, the reason is, this candle has created a higher wick, right? So now if it has rejected all the higher prices and reversing back down, that simply means, and if it breaks its own low, that simply means that it is getting ready to continue moving down, right? So that is why I will be entering once this candle will be breaking the low of the low of its own, okay, and activates my idea. So that's the reason over here. And also if we look at the 15 minutes, then this 15-minute candle, okay, it's get ready everybody, it's about to activate. Took sells at this point, keeping stops above the current candle's high. Okay, so it's pushing down as well, so I'm keeping my stops at 2014369. okay, I'm ready to enter again with the rest of the half as well once this will be breaking this over here. So 2014.369 4369. Two zero one four three six 2014.369. Modify. Okay, so I have gave stop loss and I'm in the trade over here with the half lot size, which I think that this candle might just go down, and if it just starts to move up, and if this candle, you know, goes above this wick over here, let me just mark this area so that you can see clearly. So if the candle goes above this wick over here, then I'm gonna manage my risk by closing partials. So yeah, that's the idea behind this trade, and let's just zoom out a little bit to see more clarity. And one more thing, if this candle breaks the low of the previous one, at that point of time I'm gonna enter with the rest of the half. So let's see, 3 minutes left for the current candle to close, so let's see what happens. So I'm ready to close half 0.5. Yep, but look over here, it's pushing down, so okay, 10 pips over here. My trade is running in 10 pips right now, if you can see, and I'm ready to enter again with my remaining lot. So once this candle breaks the low of the previous one, I'm gonna enter. Oh shit. Oh my god. So I have closed the second position I have entered because okay, I have closed everything, guys. I have closed everything and we got nice pips over here. I got around, let me just check. I got 40 pips, straight 40 pips down in this particular trade. So congratulations to those who have won this trade with me. And yeah, that was a quick trade. That was a really quick trade over here. So it was a quick in and out. So I would congratulate those people who just won this trade with me. And yeah, this was a quick 41 pip. So guys, I'm gonna post the results and the analysis on my Discord channel as well as on Telegram as well and on Instagram as well, so you can just go and check that out. Also you can, if you want, if you really want to know how I executed this trade, then you can just go and watch the video of this live stream. So now guys, I'm gonna take a leave and let's meet tomorrow with new trades. And basically tomorrow is Friday, so let's see, we have to be very careful. So let's meet tomorrow guys, let's see what happens tomorrow, and take care everyone, have a great day. Do not force trade guys, do not over trade, and cheers.